Virtual Art Corner. This week we're talking about math and art. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about symmetrical art, like this one here. Let's go have some fun.
Okay, so today I need some paper, a pencil, something to color with, marker of some sort, and scissors. I'm going to need two squares. So I'm going to start by going ahead and cutting this rectangle off of my square because I do not need this part of it. So the next thing that I'm going to do after I've got two of them done is I'm going to pick one of them and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half again, the other direction. And what I need to do is I need to take and cut this so that I have 1/4 size of the full piece of paper. So I'm going to cut out just one of these squares because I need to use it as my design start. So here it is. I'm going to start by folding it in half like a taco or diagonally. And then I'm going to make a design on it because I'm making a video for this. I'm going to make it a really simple design. I don't want to have anything too complicated. So I'm just going to draw 3 lines on here in order to make my design. I want to go ahead and use my pencil. It has to be a pencil because the others won't transfer. I'm going to draw kind of hard. Now, when I fold it over, I want to make sure that my design is on the top so I can see it. And now I'm going to go ahead and trace it. Okay, when I trace it, I have to trace right on the lines. This is going to help me make it so that I can trace this over and over and over again in order to make my pattern on my big piece of paper. Okay, so now I'm on my big piece of paper. I have the design on both sides of my paper, or on both sides of my little piece of paper. And so I am going to make a symmetrical pattern. In order to do that, I've got to trace these lines directly on the lines so that they transfer onto my paper. Now, you may not be able to see it real well, but the design transfers very, very lightly onto my big piece of paper. So now when I do my pattern and when I trace it, then it transfers onto the big piece of paper and turns into a symmetrical pattern that I can then color. So this design is going to go ahead and be transferred. I'm going to have to trace it 2 more times. So this is my 3rd time. I'm going to trace it 1 more time. And then it will make a radial design pattern that I will be able to color. This looks so awesome when you're looking for a design that you're looking for color. If you need ideas, this mathematical concept is really simple, and the rotating design is really pleasing to the eye. So now that I have my lines drawn on there, I need to go ahead and trace them with a black marker. Now you can just use a black marker. I'm going to go ahead and use a Sharpie. Once I have that done, I can color it however I want to color it. So I'm going to take the design and I'm going to color it, and I hope you guys had a great time. We'll see you again next time.